Every light begins with an idea. At Winway Lighting, design is not just about form, it's about function, experience, and emotion. We design with purpose to make spaces brighter, cleaner, and more human. Inspired by nature's balance of light and shadow, every curve, every beam of light we create reflects harmony and precision. Our process starts with a question: how can light improve life? From concept sketches to optical testing, from prototype to production, each product goes through countless refinements. That's why every Winway product feels considered, because it truly is. We believe good design should disappear into the space, simple, elegant, and quietly powerful. Our LED series combines soft lines with technical precision. Durable, efficient, and visually balanced. Whether it's a ceiling light for a modern office or a tri-proof fixture in an industrial zone, the experience stays consistent. Reliable, beautiful light. Innovation is not just about technology, it's about responsibility. We use eco-friendly materials, recyclable aluminum, and energy-efficient LED chips to reduce our carbon footprint. Certified by CE, CB, RoHS, FCC, LVD, and EMC. Every light meets global standards and exceeds expectations. We care about the smallest details, the texture of metal, the diffusion of light, the feel of a switch. Because behind every light, there's a team that believes craftsmanship still matters. Every design starts from listening, to clients, to architects, to the people who live and work under our lights. User feedback drives our evolution, turning ideas into better light every generation. Tomorrow's light will be smarter, greener, and more connected. And Winway will keep designing not just for today, but for the generations to come. Winway Lighting, designed with purpose, made with passion,